Adding data to FinSpace is easy so long as you are a member of the group with a Create Datasets permission. From the home page, choose Add Data here at the top of the page. Files can be simply dropped into the red box, like this. After dropping the file, FinSpace discovers the file schema, which you can now review. If you want to make changes to the schema, simply choose Edit Derive Schema. For example, let's change CIK to be a big int. Looks good. Let's confirm and upload the file. Once confirmed, the file will be uploaded to FinSpace and a job will start to create a view. Progress can be monitored here as well. By default, the file's root name, SP500 without the CSV, is the dataset's name and description. Let's change that by going to the More menu and choosing Edit Dataset Description. We'll fix the name, and we'll change the description. You can also change the owner information, which defaults to the person who uploaded the dataset. In this case, we'll leave that alone. With these changes made, let's save them. You can also associate attribute sets. Let's choose that as well. We'll add the sample data attribute set, which came from the Capital Markets Sample Data Bundle. Let's populate an attribute as well. We'll set data type to indices. As you can see, the values were saved under the attributes, and they will appear here under the See Related section as well. Let's also add some groups to the dataset from the Permissions tab. As you can see, the group has already been assigned from my creating the data, but let's add another group as well. We'll select the Analyst group, and we'll take away some of the entitlements they have because they don't need all of this to be able to perform their duties. And there you have it. Your data has been uploaded, described, entitled, and a view prepared for use on notebooks. Look for more videos in the Discover FinSpace section of your environment. Thank you.